Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to place multiple contacts in parallel and how to move contacts within your logic. First, if you want to move a contact, simply click and drag it to this arrow. Then when it turns green, you can release it. And here I dragged input 7 above input 6. If I want to put it in series with input 6, I can drag it here. And if I want to move it below, I can drag it to this arrow. Now I'll put it back to its original place. Now to add multiple parallel contacts, you can click a contact or any contact, then right click, and here you can select Insert Contact Parallel. You can do this action multiple times, as many times as you want. Let me assign a variable name for this contact. Let me select another one. And another cool thing about Master Tool is, say for example, you want to put one single contact in parallel with both input 6 and input 7. All you have to do is hold Shift and then select input 7 and input 6, then right click it and select Insert Contact Parallel below. As you can see, Master Tool added a contact in parallel with both of these contacts right here that I've selected. And there you go, that's how you create multiple parallel contacts, and that's how you move them. That's it for today's video, and I see you on the next one.